Welcome to a new video on my driving robot Mydfir, which is based on the fischertechnik robo interface. Programmed in Python via radio frequency. And the idea is that this robot follows line, recognizes colors, and sees where the color is, and uses sonar for objects. The objects aren't there at this moment, and the sound you heard was placing of this radio frequency transceiver. Similar to another transceiver is right in the robot. Colors on the robot to indicate which color it is, it should recognize. And currently this is still the broken sensor from last time. So finding that results were really not good, I found that I had to revert to one line following sensor back to the original state. It gave immediately a better result, except for in the curve, the first curve. So what I still have to do is adjust the code to its original state as far as line following goes. What about the rest? That remains to be seen. So first let me change from charger to actual battery. Now it should be really fully loaded. And next give it a go. So I'll put it right here over the line, and right next see that things work out, but I still have to adjust the coder, so that is next. With the robot positioned, it's important that the code is correct. So let's go there. So now this is the code with well, the plan ready to go, kind of. Now it is, and the diagnostic interface for single stuff detection. Anyway, what it is about now is this part is already adjusted, but this isn't, and this has to go. This whole part will have to go, because I have now no longer 4 states, I have only 2. And that is of course a very big difference. This has all to go as well. 3 and 4. Next, this doesn't matter anymore, because you have either 1, 1, you have 4 states, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1. But only for 4 states, for 2 inputs. And those can be perfectly set by these 3. So let me cut out I think this one. And that is a pretty big part of the code. Then right here, one thing out, and here another thing. Is that correct? I think so. These are the lamps. And here we have another set of no longer used stuff. This will be commented out as well. Left side. Is this the left side indeed? No, it's no longer the left side. This is completely off. So although let me do this manually and not automatically. So although this is quite correct, left side of the robot is not. So now comes actually, let's see which is which. This is no line, double one. This is right side of the line, and this is not correct, of course, because one has to be one. So the right side of the line, which is here, and that means that now this one has to be set to data link. Yes. And now which is which? So on the line is both off. One side of the line, right side of the line, is one off. So if 2 is on, if 2 is on, then we are on the right side of the line. Left side, this is left side of the line, which means that this one has to be 0. And another thing, of course, this has to be changed. And the same goes for here. Brackets have to be balanced. And this is an else if. And an else if is not valid in this case. At least I think so. But let's see, let's just see. Right side, that is correct. This is left side in fact. This is 1 and 0, and this is 1 and 0. So now I have two things left side. Ouch. So that is interesting to see which is which and how I have to do it. So the rest I will have to, well, not have to, but I will do off screen. And in order to rewrite as less as possible, I have now taken out everything from line 3 and 4. And I've taken out a very, very big part of the code. I've reused this part of the code, which is still wrong by the way. Now it is correct. Because in the other part, which was exactly the same in condition, used 3 and 4. So let me check this part, which is with balanced brackets. That is good. Here I have balanced brackets. Here I have balanced brackets, and not yet here. So now I have balanced brackets everywhere. And save. So now I should be able to run. First, with this, putting it on the, that sounds good. So disable and basically go. Okay, this should be much smaller. Now I see something. And go. In fact, why? I didn't. That is line 37. 1 is 2, 1 is 2. So why is this invalid syntax? Oh, right. I need a colon on the end. At the end. That is correct. I'm dealing with Python right now, and that needs a colon. Now it will be correct. So, go. That means, okay, what was the first line that it writes into the data? This. So, what's wrong with it? Distances 132. Yeah, alright. And 47. Alright. Yeah, can be. But then again, go. I need a motor to ride. Why does the motor go? So, why doesn't it ride? In comes the diagnostics once again. Motor 1. Yep, no doubt. Motor 3. Also not a single shred of doubt. And this is correct. So if this is correct, why doesn't the algorithm do anything? That's a very good question, of course, but now the answer. Here it writes the line. Does it somewhere? Please invoke the motor, as in activate the motor. No, because it stops, because this is when it loses the line. Then when does it write the motor? Oh, it doesn't write the motor. It doesn't do the motor. Because that is what I do here. If it writes the motor, if this is correct, then I have to activate the motor here to correct. So if this is correct, if this is, then right hand side correction. So this has to be included. I have to correct. I have to write. So while not 0, 0, and that has to be right here. Then comment out and comment out. Right side correction, because that is correct. Then comment out and comment out. The question is, where does it write? Where does it write anyway? It's here, once again, stop. That's not the point, it has to write. And then I have to revert to the diagnosis again, which I have to open again. Right side of the line, so it has to go left now. So motor 3, it's motor 3 that has to write. And slowly left, that is correct. Yes. This is absolutely correct. Then going further, the other way. So I have to put this one back into action. I think. Uncomment anyway. How much did I uncomment here? While not. Okay, only that part. So while it is not 00, no, wrong one, here, and it has to be a hash, here a hash, and then it has to go left. Or is it? I don't think so, because I am at the left side of the line in this case. Yeah, I commented this one out, but nevertheless it is let's see that it is indeed the copy. No, it didn't do a thing. Copy. Paste. This is correct, so it has to be the other motor that does something. So this should be stop, motor 3 should be stop, and this one should be right. Is that right? Yeah, definitely. So this is stop, this is right, and three stop, 1 goes right. This should be correct. Right, let's try again. Close. So this time, let's go. I hope. Really? Nothing? Again? So why this time? It just does the sonar. It is really on the line. Quit. Go. There is one unfortunate thing. Really one unfortunate thing. I do not know whether it goes into this algorithm apart from the lamps. Wait. Do the lamps even burn? Only this one. This one did burn, but that can also be the sonar. So how is it implemented? Okay, look for line. Yeah. There's no line found. It doesn't even get in here. In no way it gets in here, because there should be set line. Nowhere. And when there is no line, it doesn't drive. Ouch. That is not something I imagined. Why doesn't it go in here? Okay. No. So what I need to do is also finding It doesn't complain about anything in the algorithm. Not very surprising, but what is the problem then? Okay, what I can do is say entering line algorithm. So, no, copy, paste, lijn volgen, start. Sounds reasonable. These two. Gone. And then of course like this. New line. Now let's see if it even passes it. Go. Nothing. Okay. Well, that is very clear. Extremely clear. So, copy. That is another very clear thing. Another very clear thing. And another one. And another one. So this is over the line, the other one was right hand side and left hand side. So this should make things a bit clearer. But does it? No. No movement at all. Okay, quit, go. Okay, what is the real difference? I have to go here obviously because I want to see lijn volgen L. Okay. Not found. Lijn volgen R. Not found. Lijn volgen G. Not found. Okay, so the only thing that is written is lijn volgen start. This one. It doesn't enter any of these conditions. Any of them. Question, why? Open, find, go. There is none. in the end. Wait a second. Right over the line. This one has to be 0. Ugh. Yeah. It is on the line, which gives 0, like that. So my algorithm was wrong. Close. Go. Lo en behold. Alright. It does move at last. And it does move at least. Not correctly, but it does. And given the time, I should end now. But I wish I could have done more. So, some mistakes, but at least it drives now again. Not a line in a circle, but next time better, I do hope. And much reduced code, simply because of the fact that I have taken out one sensor. I still have to reduce this stuff, which is the connection to power and the connection to ground. And this one is really buried into it. So that's going to take a bit next time. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. And you can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support by making a donation via PayPal or Wired. Or you can become a patron as well, being with your name mentioned, depending on the monthly pledge you make. Much more information also on my website under this video. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.